In the heart of modern agriculture, where technology meets tradition, powerful farming machines are transforming the way wheat is harvested. Today, we witness an impressive combination of strength and efficiency. The Wheat Thresher Machine working together with the Ghazi Tractor, delivering outstanding performance in real field conditions. As the tractor moves steadily across the golden wheat fields, its engine roars with controlled power. Ghazi tractors are well known in agricultural communities for their durability, fuel efficiency, and strong pulling capability. Designed for tough farming environments, this machine provides the backbone needed for heavy-duty agricultural operations like threshing and harvesting support. Attached behind the tractor is the Wheat Thresher Machine, a highly efficient piece of farming equipment engineered to separate wheat grains from straw at remarkable speed. Once the harvested wheat is fed into the machine, it begins a fast and continuous process of threshing, where every movement is calculated for maximum output and minimum waste. This entire process happens in seconds, saving hours of manual labor and significantly increasing productivity. In traditional farming, threshing was done manually, requiring large amounts of time, effort, and manpower. But today, with machines like this, farmers can complete in minutes what once took days. This is the true power of modern agriculture: speed, efficiency, and reliability working together. The Ghazi tractor provides the necessary power and mobility. Ensuring the thresher operates continuously without interruption. Its strong diesel engine delivers consistent torque, allowing it to perform even in rough field conditions. Farmers rely on this combination during peak harvest season, when time is extremely important. As we watch closely, the wheat flows smoothly into the machine, and golden grains pour out from the output side. The visual is not only satisfying, but also a clear demonstration of engineering excellence in agriculture. Every part of system is working in perfect coordination, from the tractor's engine to the thresher's internal blades. Fuel consumption in such operations is carefully balanced, while the tractor uses diesel power to maintain steady movement and support the machinery. The efficiency gained in time and labor far outweighs the fuel cost. This makes it a practical and cost-effective solution for large and small farms alike. Maintenance plays a key role in keeping this system running at peak performance. Regular cleaning of the thresher, checking belts, lubrication of moving parts, and proper engine care for the tractor ensure long-lasting durability and uninterrupted work during harvesting season. For farmers, this combination is not just equipment, it is a source of productivity and livelihood. It reduces dependency on manual labor, increases yield efficiency, and ensures that crops are processed quickly before any weather damage can occur. In countries where agriculture is a major part of the economy, machines like the Ghazi Tractor and Wheat Thresher are essential tools for progress. They represent the evolution of farming, from traditional hand methods to modern mechanized systems that can handle large-scale production. As the machine continues its work across the field, the transformation is clear. What was once a labor-intensive process is now smooth, fast, and highly efficient. The sound of the tractor, the rhythm of the thresher, and the flow of wheat together create a powerful image of modern farming success. This is not just agriculture, this is innovation in action, where every grain counts and every second matters. The future of farming is here, and it is powered by machines like these, working side by side in harmony with human effort.